Welcome back to One to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Barclays mortgage account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Barclays mortgage login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will take you to this login page. On this page, click on where it says login. Once you click on the link, you'll get to this page. On this page, you'll have to provide your login credentials. And if you are new to online banking, you can register for a new account by clicking on this link. Now, you'll have three options to log in. You can either use your membership number or your card number or sort code and account number. Choose any method that is easy to you. I'll just use my membership number. So go ahead and enter your last name. After that, enter your membership number that is 12 digit long. And if you don't remember your membership number, you can click on this link to recover it. And if you want to save your last name and your login method, you can click on this check mark and it will save your login infos for next time. And if you're using a public or shared device, this is not recommended to click because it will save your login informations in this device. Now, once you have entered your login details, you can click on continue button. Then on the next page, it will ask you to enter your password. On that page, provide your password to your account, then click on sign in. Once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.